Lesson 3. Provide shade with kindness. In a serene monastery surrounded by mountains, a young monk named Kaito was known for his eagerness to learn. However, despite his efforts to master the teachings, Kaito struggled to gain the respect of his peers. Frustrated, he approached the wise Zen master Shoji, seeking advice. "Master Shoji," Kaito said, bowing deeply, "I work hard and follow the teachings, but no one seems to respect me. What must I do to earn their respect?" Shoji looked at him with a calm smile. "Come with me, Kaito," he said, leading him to the monastery garden. There, Shoji pointed to an old tree standing tall in the center of the garden. "This tree has stood here for decades," Shoji said. "It offers shade in summer, shelter during storms, and fruit in abundance. Yet it does not ask for respect, it earns it. Do you understand?" Kaito frowned, unsure of the lesson. Shoji continued, "If you wish to earn deep respect, you must embody the qualities of this tree. Let me teach you how." Lesson 1. Be rooted in humility. Shoju knelt by the tree's roots. This tree stands tall because its roots run deep. Humility is your foundation. Do not seek to elevate yourself above others. Instead, bow low to lift them up. Kaito realized that his pride often overshadowed his intentions. From that day, he began treating everyone, from the youngest novices to the oldest monks, with genuine humility. Lesson 2. Stand firm in integrity. Shoji touched the tree's sturdy trunk. This trunk remains unshaken, even in the fiercest storms. Your character must be the same, strong, unwavering, and honest. Let your words and actions align. Kaito remembered times when he exaggerated his achievements to impress others. He resolved to be truthful and let his actions speak for him. Lesson 3. Provide shade with kindness. The master gestured to the shade beneath the tree. This shade is a gift the tree gives without expectation. Show kindness without seeking rewards. Compassion earns the hearts of many. Kaito began helping others in small but meaningful ways, offering guidance to struggling novices and sharing his meals with the less fortunate. Lesson 4. Listen like the leaves. Shoji plucked a leaf from the tree. The leaves sway and rustle, responding to the wind's whispers. Listen to others with the same attentiveness, and they will feel valued. Kaito realized that he often interrupted or dismissed others' opinions. He started listening more and speaking less, creating a space for others to share openly. Lesson 5. Bear fruit through service. The master picked a ripe fruit from the tree. This tree bears fruit for others to enjoy. Serve selflessly, and respect will follow. Kaito began volunteering for tasks others avoided, such as cleaning and tending to the sick. His actions inspired those around him. The transformation. Months passed, and Kaito changed. His humility, honesty, kindness, attentive listening, and selfless service earned him the respect and admiration of everyone in the monastery. One day, Shoji called Kaito to the garden. "Look at the tree again, Kaito," he said. "It is not tall branches or loud demands that earn respect. It is the quiet, consistent giving of oneself. You have become like this tree." Kaito bowed deeply, his heart filled with gratitude.